welcome to Americans Learn. My name is Lauren, and today I am going back to some Dead Sound Dinosauria videos. This one is The Last Tyrant. It's pretty long, so if I do the making of video in the same video like I've been doing, the video is probably going to be an hour, and we're not doing that. So I'm going to watch this one by itself, solo, and then I will... pretty soon I'll watch the other making of portion of it, because that is always very, very interesting to me. I think it's really cool to watch how he works. But just in this case, I think that because this is a fairly longish video, I mean, for these videos, it's 10 minutes. And honestly, I've made the 6-minute video last 15 or 20. So it's like, if I can do that with a 6-minute video, just imagine what I can do with a 10. So we're watching The Last Tyrant. Let's go. Already loving the colors. Ooh, I've always loved that color combination too, with the gold and the bright blue and then the dark on top. Always loved that. It's so beautiful. I'd get this as a print. I feel like he's gotten really good at the movement. Oh no, we've got a meteor coming. Oh dear. A bird thing. Fun to see like the different, like, you know, we got these one bird like sort of winged creature, and then we have these guys as well. It's just fun to see the different sizes, but like similar vibes. And again, I'm really enjoying the color scheme of this one, and he's gotten really good at this whole fog motif. I feel like I remember him saying that some of that was a little bit difficult in one of the earlier videos, but I guess once you learn how to do something, it looks really good. And it does look really good. It very much gives like early morning. One day I'll be big enough to be able to do that too. I'll be that big one day. Love him. And it's just so distressing. I'm like, all of these guys are gonna die. They showed the foreshadowing of the meteor in the beginning. And the color gradient here. Beautiful. Everyone's like so in tune with each other over here. Everyone's friends. Hi. Get out of here, kiddo. It's really, really interesting to see like other, like all of his like old ones that have been in other videos, all that had their own little, their things that, but coming together in one video. It's really interesting to see all these models changed a little bit, because again we've changed the color scheme of all of them and made them all more of one unit. But it's very interesting to me that they're all together. Hi. He's just here to drink. Oh, baby. They gave him kind eyes in this one. He looks very sweet. Looks very sweet. Interesting too, the dinos who decided to run and those who stuck around. It's like they're a little further away. They've got time, and maybe try the Triceratops or the Ceratopsin or whatever. I'm not sure which kind it is, but like, it's like, well, you gotta get used to this guy, baby. He'll be around. This is what he looks like. Okay, keep an eye on his vibe, and if we have to flee, we will. They're ready to go if they need to. Everyone's decided that we're fine. Not hungry today. Just surveying his lands. I love it. See, it was fine. Aww. Yawn. Big yawn from the T-Rex. Hi, baby. This is so sweet. And I feel like they showed us the meteor in the beginning. This is gonna make me cry. Oh. Hi. Oh, man. They don't know. And pulling out the music is such a good move as it gets closer and closer, and all you hear is like the roar of the meteor incoming, and like, you know, there's still like the bird sounds, the ambient noises, but the music's gone. Like he took that out. It's beautiful and calm and lovely. They're checking it out. And then it just slowly fades out. That's such a cool decision. Oh my god. And then almost everything but like the insects. God. And again, the light change on that was amazing. Like, absolutely peak. I need to fix all of my green screens. Like the blues fading out to just that like dull yellow, and then the bright light, and then to darkness. And I get the way that even the bird sound faded. It's just the screaming sound. On. The shaking of the camera, so good. Jesus. Oh, and it's just brown and dust. Death. Oh my god. The red of the water now. They're just dead everywhere. And they're kind of like even blending into the backgrounds now too. Like I barely saw this guy on the hill. Barely saw him. Oh my god. That's so mean. I mean, you know, I know it happened, but like, Jesus Christ. Mama. No, why are you doing that to me? It's so sad. Oh my God. Oh my God. I wasn't actually expecting to cry. I thought I would get a little bit misty, but that really got me. Oh my God. Oh my God, that got me really, really good. It's so fucking sad. Okay. I need to chill out. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Actually sobbing. Okay. All right, I'm fine. I'm not fine. I knew I was gonna cry, but I didn't think it was gonna be like that. Oh my God. That's just devastating. I mean, crying over something that happened over 1,000,000 years ago is crazy, but like, I can't help it. It's just so sad. He really got me to like these guys with just their little kind eyes, and they're just chilling at the watering hole. The babies. Jesus Christ. Honestly, I think I cried more at this than I did at the fucking Land Before Time. Granted, I haven't seen that since I was a kid, and I just didn't really care when I was a kid, to be fair. God, they pulled a Mufasa on me, too. Oh, fuck. She's like, it's me! Aha! Oh, that's so cool, though. Like, showing where they're still here in a kind of way. That was really cool. I like that juxtaposition. That's gonna make me cry, too. Just because I'm already crying. Oh, showing what's left of the veins. Hi, old bud. Hi. Oh, it's like seeing old friends. Because I think this is supposed to be the last one, right? And then there's another series that I know just got updated. I'm sorry, this is very emotional. I wasn't expecting to actually get this emotional about this. Oh my God. Damn. And I gotta be like, cool, this is the first video of the day. But the music, like, swelling and like showing us like everything that they were, and then passing over to the where they are now, like the museums and stuff, and then the birds like still here, and like the remnants of them are there still, and it's beautiful and it's sad, and you know, it's one of those, it's like, again, I like, obviously I've never ever cried over the freaking dinosaurs before. That's insane behavior from me. God, he got me though. He got me. And it's beautiful. Like, again, the music, and again, this is another reason I am not going to be watching the making of in this one. I think this is a little this definitely has to be its own thing. And then I'll watch that one um, on its own as well. Probably right after this. But still, it's going to be a separate video. They were here, though. And I like the triumphant music, even though they're dead. Even though it's bones, it's like they were here and they were majestic and they still are, and they're so cool. I love the like projection on the background over here too. Damn, David. Fuck off.
Hello, this is David,
Hi.
and thank you very much for watching my film. If you'd like to know more about how I make these animated short films, feel free to check out the accompanying making of behind the scenes video as well. In the meantime, super special thanks to all my top Patreon supporters on screen right now. Without these guys, this series really would not have been possible. Thanks again.
I'm fine.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, stop. Pause. It does this to me sometimes and I don't want it to. Alright. Wow. That was that was a lot more than I was expecting. That was a lot. And it was absolutely beautiful and heart-wrenching. Oh, god damn it. I fucking called it. I knew I was gonna cry. I just didn't realize I was gonna cry like that. I don't think I've cried that hard at a video I've watched for any of the channels in a long time. I don't even like remember. It would have been on this channel, it probably would have been a Fat Electrician video. Some of those make me cry. And then for any of the other channels, I don't know. One of the anime stuff maybe, but like it's been a long time since one of the animes has made me cry like that. I've gotten misty at a few of them, but I think the last time I cried, I might have been watching freaking Cyberpunk. Anyway, that was beautiful. That was emotionally draining, which is not even fair. Yeah, I don't think I even cried like that when I watched Land Before Time when I was like 9. Again, though, like I said, at that time when I was a kid, I never cried at movies at all. Like, nothing made me cry. The first time I ever cried at a movie, I think, was when I was like 16, and it was Pay It Forward. And then I watched Schindler's List that same year, and then I cried at that too. And then after that, I started. No, that was it for a really, really long time. And then by the time I was in my 20s, I was crying at stuff a lot more often. But I really just didn't as a kid ever. And so maybe if I'd watched Land Before Time now, it would get me. But the fact that he can do that with just expression and music and colors, I mean, seriously, hats off, David. That was amazing. And now I'm going to go and take a little bit of a breather, and then I'm going to go ahead and watch the making of this one, and hopefully I won't cry at that. But I'm looking at the recording thing. I was like, I've been going for like 20 minutes. This is why I didn't do it in one. One of the reasons. And now also I feel like it needs its own moment to breathe. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.